Where did the time go? How did we get here? When did it get so hard? We can make it better, let's take to the wind. We'll ride it to the next part. You were a capsule buried in the snow. I found you in the springtime. I wanna open it up, I wanna know. Let's see what's on the inside. Whisper me secrets, tell me the story, make me believe in you. I can be your summer, you can be my winter. Take me to your hidden room. Here is a house that was built with a purpose, windows that reflect the light. I wanna open up all the doors and see what's on the outside. We are an envelope with a letter written from another time. I wanna hold it up to the sun and see what's on the inside.